Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today, I will show you a tutorial about how to be preparing material for production. In previous, we had created a manufacture order and generated a quantity information of material. So, the system can be making a comparison between material requested quantity and inventory, and check out the materials level in inventory for production delivering, or generate a series of orders for purchasing. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. We first go to the combined BOM document to combine all materials from the manufacture order. On the top of menu, click the block named Transactions. You will find the MFG block, means manufacture. Click it, then click the combined BOM to go to Orders interface. That is combined BOM interface. Let's import data from manufacture order. Click the top right corner option, and then click Import from production. It is a import list page. You can see the top of page. There are some searching criteria to search item which looking for. Below that, it is a result list. By default, all items on the list are shown which not handle yet. That means these items require production, but not handle yet. Let's import all of them. Okay, the items are imported into orders. Let's go to the Material Item tab. All quantity information of material is consolidated and ready to compare with the inventory. The next tab is Reminder, but it is not available yet until the order created. The next tab is Upload. You can upload relative document file linked to orders. Then, go back to Combined BOM tab page. Due to this is a operation document, there is not any contact in header. After that, we can save the orders and get a new order number. And let's approval the order. Okay. Let's preview the printout. This is the printout. Quantity is consolidated by same material, color and size. After that, we can go to MRP to do a comparison with the inventory. Close the printout, then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. Click the block named Material Planning, then click the Material Planning to go to Planning interface. There are many combined BOM orders. Click the last created orders. The interface will list out all material BOM quantity and other quantity information. This information can let you understand the status of material flow. For example, the column named Reserved on Hand Quantity means some quantity of material is marked reserved in the inventory. The column named Reserved on Order Quantity means some quantity of material is marked reserved in the purchase order. When the material is received, it will be marked on hand quantity automatically. The column named Delivery Quantity means some quantity of material had delivered for production. The column named Pending Purchase Requisition Quantity means some quantity of material had requested to purchase in the system. The column named Outstanding means an outstanding quantity does not make any decision yet. Okay, click the first material to review the details and to make a decision. This is a details page. It will show out all types of quantitative information between individual specifications and orders number. At the last of each row, you can make a plan to decide what should to do. For example, the column Reserve on Hand is making a plan to reserve the available quantity from the inventory. due to the on-hand column having available quantity for reserve. You can direct-click the Calculate button to use the outstanding quantity as an on-hand reserve quantity directly. Then, click the Confirm Action button to confirm the planning. Now, the Reserve on-hand quantity column had marked planning quantity. Okay, let's go to the next material to make a purchase plan. You can see that the on-hand column have no available quantity for reserve. So, we need to make a plan to request a purchase order to purchase material. Then, click the Confirm Action button to confirm the planning. Now, a new purchase requisition order has been created and approved. Click it to review the order. It is a purchase requisition order. In the product page, it records information of the order that comes from, for example, sales orders, manufacture orders and combined BOM orders. Go to the next, a Material Item tab. This tab stores details of the planning, such as material information and quantity. If any paper document is required to upload into this order, you can go to the Upload tab to upload the files. OK, go back to the Purchase Requisition tab to review the warehouse information. Then, we go back to the planning interface. After complete the planning of the material, we can click the Mark Complete button to hide it behind the screen. Now, the material F01 is hidden. If you want to get them back and shown in the interface, you need to go back to the search page. And then select the option, Show Completed Planning. Then, we open again the document BOMB number 11. The material F01 is shown again, and the last column of the row is marked Yes, means it is completed. It is all the operation to handle material arrangement. After that, how the production staff be aware of the status of material available in the system. For the production staff, they can use a production material status report to keep track the status of material available. Let's go to try out the report. Click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of the menu, click the Report block. Next, click the Production block. Last, click the Production Material Status Report block. This is a report to show the available status of material by manufacture order. For example, the manufacture order number of last planning operation is M000008. Click the Search button to show the result of this manufacture order. Here, you can see all the quantity distribution on a different stage. Once the reserved on-hand quantity had quantity value, the production staff can issue a material stockout order to transfer material to the production line. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.